practice compassion meditation. Now, this is something I tell all my yoga students or anybody, even friends I meet. I always recommend this because this has helped me personally in my own life, because I have a lot of knowledge for a lot of things, but this compassion is not that easy. And we tend to close our hearts a lot because we're afraid of what others would do. So definitely compassion meditation is very, very important to practice. Now I'm going to put this up in a slide after I finish talking, and you can follow the instructions and try to practice this week and see how that feels.
Let's get started. Sit in a comfortable position and just follow along with the guided meditation instructions. Just close your eyes and visualize a field of loving kindness expanding out of your heart. First, focus that loving kindness on yourself and say these words in your mind. Let me be free of pain and suffering. Let me find peace and happiness. Now imagine yourself to be peaceful and happy, and sit with this for a few more seconds. Now think of a friend or a loved one and focus your loving kindness upon that person. Say in your mind, let them be free of pain and suffering. Let them find peace and happiness. And imagine them to be happy and peaceful. Again, sit with this thought for a few more seconds. Now visualize someone you're in conflict with, someone you have a difficulty getting along with or communicating with, or who has hurt you, and focus your loving kindness on that person. Use the same words, let them be free of pain and suffering, let them find peace and happiness. And imagine them to be happy and peaceful. And sit with that thought for a few more seconds. Next, direct your loving kindness towards a stranger, someone you don't feel positive or negative about. It could be a clerk from a grocery store or anyone else you meet along the way. And repeat the same words in your mind, directing it towards them. Let them be free of pain and suffering. Let them find peace and happiness. Again, sit with this thought for a few more seconds, imagining them to be happy and peaceful. Finally, allow this field of loving kindness to expand to all beings. And each time, repeat those words in your mind. Let everyone be free of pain and suffering. Let everyone find peace and happiness. Loka samasta sukhino bhavantu. Sit with this thought for a few more seconds.
Try to practice this week and see how that feels. So once you develop that satisfaction and contentment within you, then things become so much easier to deal with. And even if you do lose your balance in the future, you know how to come back.